Keep something very unique, and I would like to open this with you. As you can see, this says Amazon Sidewalk. So what we are going to do, we are going to unveil how an Amazon Sidewalk development kit look like. This was very kind of Amazon to send me one for testing purposes, and as you can see, we have this uh, developer test kit wrapped, and we have instructions how to set it up. All right, as you can see, this is nicely finished device, pretty small. You can charge using USB cable, and it actually sits on top of magnetic plate, but you don't have to carry everything with you. Once it is charged, you can detach it and carry it along with you. And once you're at home, back at home, you can pretty much put it on the magnetic tape platform and charge it again. Once we charge it, you will see this, the LED will blink, and I'm going to set up my account and see how it will register and what kind of data we can see. So stay tuned. Thank you. Now, so you have seen the physical device. Let's go ahead and set up our Sidewalk account based on instructions we have received on email and in the instruction sheet delivered with the package. So I'm going to create an account with my username and a password. Password is first provided by Amazon, but you have to set or change the password during first time login, right? As per security. So I'm going to just change the password, set something complex one at the same time, which I can remember. So if you are new to password things, I would recommend you go check out some XKCD. And as you can see, there is a um, second level of security. That means you will receive an OTP on your mobile, and then you need to validate. So this is kind of like MFA, uh, and don't worry about that. This OTP is not unique. It will expire on sometime, so it's all right. And now you can see, once you create your account, you are presented with this terms and condition that you are creating this account. Sidewalk test skill will be used by you. You are working to develop and test things. Pretty much all right. That's what I want to do. And once you accept terms and conditions, there is some certain disclaimer about your location, things, and etc. But this is how the landing page. We have finished setting up our Sidewalk account, developer test kit account, and you have seen the device in action, right? So now I'm here logged into my Sidewalk test kit account. As you can see, there are some FAQs or instructions. Let's go through them to understand this device better and very quickly. Okay. Amazon Sidewalk is created by participating Echo and Ring device. They are sidewalk bridges which contribute small portion of internet bandwidth, and the use cases to build a shared network to connect sidewalk enabled devices like moisture sensors, smart locks, CO2 detectors, and many more. As the community grows, the new and more interesting uh, sidewalk devices will show up. All right. So for this is kind of like a test kit device, what Amazon shipped to us. You have seen that. Yeah, what it is comes with, it comes with a USB charger. Test kit is powered. The test runs automatically. Once you charge this, the test will start running automatically. Is it possible to view test kit connectivity history? Yes, you can access up to 90 days of connectivity history for your account. What I am looking at on test kit map. On the map, you will see dot for each ping sent from test kit and received by Amazon SideBridge devices. So on map, you will see a lot of dot and legend for color. It will show if it is a strong connection, weak connection, etc. What does the coverage represent on map? Today, it shows availability of Amazon Sidewalk's LoRa signals. There are other, but they are not showing it today. It's all about LoRa today. Okay, then you may run into some problem setting up a test kit and how to troubleshoot that. Those are the things shown here. Okay. If you are owner of this test kit, you should understand blinking once every 10 seconds indicate test is initializing. So first time when you charge, you'll see it's blinking every 10 seconds. But after that, what happened? It's actually blink twice while sending the ping and while receiving the response from server. Okay, this is something you should see before we go and look at the actual data. LQI, Link Quality Indicator, is a measure of quality and signal strength of Amazon Sidewalk network at that GPS location. Amazon Sidewalk defined 5 levels from LQI1 to LQI5, and obviously 5 is the strongest one. Is test kit operate on battery power? Yes, it is battery powered, as you can see in the top here. So this device you can roam around, but when you want to charge, you have to come back and put that in the magnetic plate. And the battery life is like 8 hours. Okay, every 8 hours you need to charge. Um, what are these LED patterns I'm seeing on my test kit? The test kit has blue LED which repeatedly turn and on and off while charging. So it will be blinking. LED will turn solid once kit is fully charged. You'll also see LED blinking every 10 seconds to indicate status. Blinking once indicate device is in ideal mode. That means it's not sending any ping. And blinking twice indicate every 10 seconds. Blinking twice indicate ping was sent over Amazon Sidewalk. Blinking 3 times indicate ping was sent and acknowledgement to be received. All right, what happens if the battery is low? If you are a test kit owner, you will see as soon as the battery reaches less than 10%, it start beeping every 5 seconds. So if you hear beep around your house, don't worry, this is coming from your test kit. Don't be surprised. Okay, my test kit hasn't moved in past hour, but still showing 50 meter away. Why? Because this is GPS and accuracy is plus minus 50 meters. All right, so I'm not going to go into all the details here because not all of us are test kit owner, but it's good to know how the data is coming and what are the patterns. If you happen to reset it for any reason, what you can do, you have the pinhole here and you can insert a pin and keep it insert it for 10 seconds and it will be factory reset. For any support, you can contact Sidewalk support. All right, so next what we are going to do, we are going to click on test kit coverage map and see what kind of data I'm sharing to Amazon Sidewalk server. So this is the map location with various legends like green dots, they are all strongest signals. Then we have yellow, orange and red being the weakest one. Again, LoRa coverage, the color legends. All right, let me just minimize this maybe so that we can see. Okay, this is my area map, and you can see we have excellent coverage everywhere for LoRa. I'm really pleased to see what kind of like a strong coverage we have. And if we zoom in further, zoom out further, you can see the United States is looks very blue, not in the sense of voting blue, but yeah, LoRa coverage is we have pretty dense LoRa coverage, especially here towards the East Coast. All right, so this is about the LoRa coverage map. What we want to see also, what kind of data we are sending. So let's click on packet count. And here you can see the packet count. Um, and this is my detailed data. As you can see, we have GPS latitude and longitude information sending and the signal strength, GPS accuracy as well. You can download this data if you want. All right, so this is all from Amazon Sidewalk and the test kit. I want to thank Amazon for sending us one, and I hope um, I'm adding some contribution here. But thank you.